Hey guys, a very good morning and welcome to a new daily market outlook. So in today's market outlook, I'm going to be discussing my short position which I took on euro dollar, and I'm going to be discussing where the DXY and gold are heading next. So yeah, let's just dive straight in. So looking at the DXY on the daily time frame, we can see that we got another bullish close, but a very weak bullish close in the form of a doji. So looking at the 4 hour, what we can currently see is that we're just really consolidating. More clear on the 1 hour is that we are not being able to make a new high. So this area of resistance is still standing, and this area of support, which was the left shoulder and also counted as the right shoulder mentioned in yesterday's video, is also still holding. So as you guys can see, the inverse head and shoulder did play out to some extent, and as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I was able to capitalize on it, which I will show you guys in a short moment. But at the moment, not expecting much from the DXY, just going to be waiting for a breakout higher or a breakout lower. So yeah, that is it. DXY at the moment is just going to be a waiting game. As you guys can see, we are just consolidating. Therefore, not much happening. Of course, we do have this ascending trend line over here, and we are at the third touch of that trend line. So yeah, probably we could see some reaction over here. So let's monitor this. If the trend line breaks, we could start seeing some more downside. So yep, that is DXY for you. Let's head over to Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar is a very, very boring pair at the moment. Not much going on, as you guys can see, just consolidating. Not really interested in this pair at all at the moment. Just going to be waiting for a break higher or a break lower. All I'm going to be doing is just drawing on this area of support and resistance and waiting for this area of consolidation to break out in either direction. So yeah, that's Aussie dollar. Not much to be said on this pair. So let's head over to euro dollar. And euro dollar. So euro dollar, as you guys can see, I still have the arrow drawn on, played out to absolute perfection. I did take a short from that 618 back in towards the lows. So if we just quickly go into the lower time frame, what we can then see is that we came into that 618 with this beautiful ascending channel. So as you can see, we had the 1, the 2, then the third touch, and then price just absolutely tanked in towards the lows. So it took a short from up there at the 618 and at the third trendline touch. What I also really liked is that we took out this high over here where stop losses are situated above. So therefore, extra confluence to take that short. And overall, just really happy with it. I did take profits at the maturement, or at the lows, of the channel over here at around 1.19250. So as you guys can see, perfect take profit level. Took like 75% off the tables and 25% is still running. I think it will hit my stop loss, but I don't really care anymore, so we'll just see. So what is next for euro dollar? Well, really dependent on the DXY in which direction we're going to break out. As you guys can see, euro dollar is also just consolidating at the moment. Wouldn't be surprised if we do break up higher, mainly due to the fact that we have this inverse, or this head and shoulders, which played out partially. So this could just be a retail trap to go up and start moving higher back up towards that 1.19884. However, it is a Friday, so I wouldn't really recommend trying to be a hero. Just kind of monitor the markets and see if anything really interesting starts playing out. Don't just trade because you have to. So that's euro dollar. Let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar. So pound dollar played out pretty nicely. As you guys can see, after channel maturement, we did tank in towards the lows. We were consolidating yesterday. Nothing really much happened until we did start breaking down. Looking at the 15, you could say that we have this potential channel over here. So it does seem like we should come up higher one more time. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do come up back to this high at around 1.39392. So yeah, that is what I'm looking for at the moment on pound dollar. From there onwards, I will start reevaluating the situation. So either look if we're going to see some shorts, or if we just start breaking up higher, and that we should start looking for longs. However, big fan of some further downside after this kind of price action, as this price action over here and the ascending manner of it is very similar to the price action we had over here. So yep, that's pound dollar for you. Let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar decided to move up higher in towards that area of supply at around 0.70777. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, what we can then see is that not much is going on at the moment. If we draw in our fib over here, what you'll then see is that, I just have to adjust it a little bit. What you can then see is that we are situated, and we did react to that 618. However, we decided to move a little bit higher just to tap in towards that area of supply. So we could start seeing some more downside from here. Wouldn't be surprised if we do. However, once again, very dependent on what the DXY wants to do next. Once again, looking at the 1 hour, we do have this ascending price action with the 1, the 2, and now the 3rd touch. However, if we do break up back up higher, yeah, we could start seeing some longs. However, I'm really focused on this swing high over here, as we know there are a lot of stop losses situated in this area of the white arrow. So therefore, I will be looking at monitoring if we will move up higher and, for instance, just fake out on that high, take out all the stop losses situated above it before tanking further in towards the lows. So yeah, that is the Kiwi dollar for you. Let's head over to gold. And gold, what an absolute beauty. Gave this beautiful setup yesterday, which I did mention. So if you haven't watched yesterday's video, make sure to check it out. I did discuss that we had the left shoulder, the head, and then the right shoulder at the 618 trendline retest. Such an easy setup to take. Yeah, got a lot of screenshots through Instagram of people taking this setup. So yeah, really glad if you did. Congrats to you. At the moment, we can see that we're forming a new head and shoulders with the left shoulder, the right shoulder, and the head now. So yeah, we could start seeing some more downside. However, not a big fan of getting into the market as of now. However, we do of course have this nice trend line over here. So we do have a 3rd trend line touch with the head and shoulders, and we should still come down lower. So yeah, I'm going to be monitoring gold, seeing what it's going to be doing next, see what its next move is, and see if we're still going to hit that 1761 region. If we do break out, we see 2 closes above this descending trend line. Yeah, we could still come back up higher once again. So we'll then have to reevaluate the situation and wait for what's next. So yeah, it's Friday. I'm going to take it easy on. Not going to be too active trading today. Probably just monitoring the markets with my EURUSD position, which is probably going to hit stop loss. But yeah, we're still really happy with the profits that I did bank yesterday. So yeah, just going to take it slow. And next week, I'm going to be back with my camera full force. So yeah, I'm really recharged for next week, and I can't wait to slay the markets with you all again. So if you have any questions whatsoever, please reach out to me through Instagram. My link is in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you all in tomorrow's episode. Thanks, guys.